Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add link in Facebook story. So let's get started. So if you want to add a link in your Facebook story, then what you have to do is, first of all, you have to have a link. So what I'll do is just simply go ahead and then copy my YouTube account's link. So after copying the link, now what you can do is just simply open up your Facebook. So just simply open up your Facebook application and then tap on create story. After tapping on create story, now you can just simply tap on the camera icon which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on the camera icon, now you can take a story from your camera roll. But if you don't want to do that, then what you can do is just simply select a photo from your gallery. So I'll just simply take a photo from my camera roll. So I'll just simply tap on the camera icon which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on that option, just simply take a photo. So after taking a story from your camera roll, I'll just selecting a story. Now you will find see more option which is on the top right. So just tap on see more, and after tapping on that, just simply tap on link option. And after tapping on link, now you can just simply paste the link. After pasting your link, just tap on add, and after doing that, now you have successfully added your link. And after adding that link, now simply tap on share which is on the bottom right, and after doing that, now you have successfully shared your story. After sharing your story, just simply wait and then let your story to be uploaded. And after doing that, just simply open up your story, and after opening up your story, just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, and from here you can just simply tap on view link. And after tapping on that, now it will directly take you to the link that you have just added on your Facebook story. So that's it guys, this is how to add link in Facebook story. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.